Lingay traffic advisory, PC 4623, short final runway 08, full stop. Good luck. Salamat.
Straight out departure, report east of San Simon, runway 35, cleared for takeoff.
Straight out departure, report east of San Simon, runway 35, clear for takeoff, RPC 4623.
Pupunta muna kami ng Lingayen para doon kami mag-solo dahil sa Subic ay sarado. And dito naman sa Plaridel ay bawal na ang solo. Kaya Lingayen na ang nearest para sa solo. Ang flight time galing Plaridel going to Lingayen ay aabot ng 1 hour 10 minutes to 1 hour and 15 minutes yan. Diyan lang naglalaro, depende sa hangin, no?
2764, number on holding, ready for departure. Request for start of departure to Lingayen, climbing 4,500.
764, line up runway 35.
Hanging up on the 35, 2764.
Goods ang hangin ngayon. Kaya nga, doon kalmado. Sarap. na pataas sa may puti. Oh, alam mo ba yan? Alam mo na yan eh.
903, East of Sagutin,
Hindi ko nga alam mo yun, para orient mo ako. Pinapacheck ni Kapads yung ano mo eh.
Yung landmarks.
Oo, kung kaya mo na pumunta ng Lingayen kahit mag-isa ka lang. Kaya wala akong alam muna.
Wala mo. Traffic advisory RPC 4623 over Bayambang 4,500 destination Lingayen via San Carlos. Okay. 0 0 2 2 plus 8 0 0 2. Ay,
Okay, kasama natin.
ayan no, ganda ng ano nun no. Yung statue. Laki.
3,500 for overall.
At 689 ATR now passing 1,700 overhead, descending to 1,500. We'll be following 6898 for upwind.
Traffic advisory 1761 departing Iba, southeast of
Correction, RPC 4427, now on downwind, runway 08 for touch and go.
Lingayen advisory 3519er, north of Lingayen Station, destination Iba via Sual Power Plant. Any traffic en route be advised coming over water.
Traffic advisory 1763 now, east of the Martis, passing 3,300, descending to 2,500, destination San Fernando.
Lingayen traffic 4623 completed one orbit overhead, descending to traffic pattern altitude, joining upwind following 6898.
Lingayen advisory 6898 turning for crosswind.
Traffic inside.
Okay.
7855.
Top 10 tayo sa traffic, wala nang overhead din. So you can start to descend now for
Lingayen
traffic
advisory
pattern.
RPC 8862, Sansi. Destination San Fernando via the Maltese. Any traffic on route visit right?
Lingayen advisory RPC 845, 2 miles south of the station, 15 proceeding overhead.
Traffic advisory RPC 3594 east of Kansas, maintaining 5,500, destination Lowag via East.
5 confirm, proceeding to Bugalio.
Lingayen traffic 6890 short 1751. Traffic advisory RPC 8862 turning final runway 08 touch and go. Lingayen advisory 1761 over Labrador 3,500 for San Fernando via overhead your station.
Copy 1751, RPC 205 will be in the lookout.
Lingayen advisory 845, orbiting overhead station 1,400.
8205 175, one request position and altitude. RPC 205 is above Zambales Mountain.
Yan, ito na. Nakalapag na. Kaya, ayun. Sisimula na ang first solo ni Toga Gaming. Alright.
4623 on the ramp holding up 08. I'll be now releasing my student for first solo. Kapitan. Dasal.
It's mamaya.
Yes, sir.
Lingayen traffic RPC 4623 at holding point runway 08. Any traffic on the base runway 08, please be advised. Wala. Lingayen traffic RPC 4623 departing runway 08 full stop. Lingayen traffic. Salamat. Shout out to you. Salamat.
Toga Gaming.
Good luck sa akin, sir. Your speed is alive, engine instrument screen suction green. Lingayen traffic RPC 4623, rolling runway 08.
Same flight 4623.
Salamat, sir. Your speed is alive, 50, 55, 60, rotate. Okay, positive climb, top brakes. Medyo mahangin na, sir. Landing 70. Lingayen traffic RPC 4623 airborne runway 08 full stop.
Lincoln traffic 6898 requesting priority. We'll be releasing student for first solo after 4623 possible.
300 feet, speed check, flaps up, landing lights off. Right clear, center clear. Heading 080.
Candelaria maintaining 5,500. Destination Iba.
Wala akong kasama na, sir! Okay, maintaining 7, table center, 350. Okay. Right clear, center clear, left clear, left clear.
Sharp Stick 45, Bagolion, Labrador Airways, 2,500 below.
60, maintain. 700.
535-356 over San Carlos, 500, departing Lingayen, destination Laredo, by west of Malasigayan, traffic and advice.
Traffic advisory Army 072 departed Fort Magsaysay for correction, departed Lingayen to Fort Magsaysay via San Carlos 1,500 maintaining.
Traffic advisory PC2846, so over Orbis Tondo this time, 2,500, utilizing 2,000 to 3,000 feet per airway.
Lingayen traffic RPC 4623, meet downwind runway 08, full stop. Correcting. Okay, speed check. Okay, I'll be speed check.
Advisory 1032, the Go 505 for Orbitalonan via Palawan.
Speed check. Flaps up. Correction, flaps 1, landing lights. Maintaining 700. Lap si 45. Okay, right clear, center clear left. 70 ball center 20, 600. Lingayen traffic RPC 4623 turning left base runway 08 full stop.
Traffic advisory 1761 departed San Fernando, no over dual power plant 4,000 and will descend to 2,500 to Iba.
Traffic advisory 1751, departing San Fernando, now south of Alaminos, 4,500, station Iba via
Traffic advisory 2846 over Orbis Tondo, 2,500 feet utilizing Orbis Tondo and San Carlos area for airborne.
Traffic advisory RPC 2845 over Bagolion, passing 2,100, descending to 1,500, proceeding back to Lingayen via south.
Lingayen traffic RPC 4623, turning final runway 08 full stop.
Traffic advisory 1763 departed San Fernando, now west of Pusinlong Power Plant and will descend to 2,500. Destination Iba. Traffic advisory 35905 west of Santa 5,500 destination San Fernando via west of Narvacan.
Lingayen traffic advisory RPC 4623, short final runway 08 full stop. Runway is clear. 60 pa. Training 60.
Good lap.
Salamat. landed. PC4623, Lingayen traffic landed. Commencing backtrack runway 08.
6898, air traffic base sa final, please advise. We're requesting priority from the traffic pattern for first solo. Thank you.
Congrats from 1032.
Congrats.
Salamat, sir.
6898, we are now going to enter the active for traffic pattern first solo.
Just park mo dun sa kanina.
Copy.
We'll be climbing 2,000.
Hindi na mapatay, salamat!
Holding.
Rolling yan! Salamat!
8998 airborne, runway 07, full stop.
Good luck!
8. Thank you.
Matay na! Ayan mga kaibigan! Ayos! Nakaisa tayo!
C1, C2 now.
So, yun na nga. Sana! Wala. Dana pala. Maraming salamat sa mga panonood mga kaibigan. At nakaisang pattern na tayo. Nakalabag tayo. Buhay tayo. Yung landing natin, nag-float lang. Nag-float lang kasi magaan pala ako. So, pag-float ko, medyo malakas yung energy. Kaya, papracticein pa natin yan for good. And, yeah. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa susunod na mga live vlog natin. And we will be streaming soon. Pasensya na at medyo hindi na tayo nakaka-stream dahil sa ginagawa natin. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jas Fortaleza, also known as Soy Gaming. Kita-kits, sir!
Oo, boss!
Congrats, sir.
Congrats!
Huwag masyado sa makina. Putang paho. Congrats, sir.
Sana usok yung makina eh.
Sabi nung maglilinis. Salamat.
Yung makina.
Salamat. Ayan, si Sir Victor Spanya. Nagpagupit ka ba? Hindi pa.
Lumaba lang.
May lipad ka pa mamaya?
Wala na, uwi na rin.
Uwi na rin.
Galing
Yan.
ko, idol.
Naku po, salamat. Di naman. Ikaw yung idol ko eh. Sige, kita-kits na lang.
Congrats ulit.
Salamat.